We are replacing this 4x4 post that was installed to hold up a sunshade. There's post number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Because of these cables that are running through here, I have to pull this chunk straight up in the air because I can't drag it out. There's a mess of cables under there. So it's too heavy for me to lift up. And what I'm going to try to do now is break it up into more manageable pieces by using a masonry bit, drill some holes, hit it with the sledgehammer, and then this is how deep it was. Looks like about 2.5 feet were in the ground. And this is how much I have left to take out. Okay, the hole is dug out, cleaned out. Got my frame, got the pole being supported by the old pole up against the fence. On the bottom, it is flush with the patio. We are on bag number 3 of 80-pound cement. And so far, that is 2 bags of cement right there. So far, so good. The thing is straight. It's a 6x4. Much sturdier, much less likely to break. Please, God, don't break. We have the mold ready to go. I'm going to fill in that dirt later on, more than likely tomorrow morning. But this is done. It is leveled. It is good to go.